Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need to gather essentials now: the keyboard, your phone, and any required batteries or USB dongle. Turn the keyboard on and enable pairing mode, usually a long press on its Bluetooth button, because phones only see devices advertising. On your phone, open Settings, then Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on so it scans. Once done, stay near the keyboard within 10 meters and keep any other Bluetooth devices off to reduce interference. If prompted, grant permission to allow location or access for scanning. Because some phones, with the keyboard in pairing mode, watch your phone's Bluetooth list for a new device name, often the brand or model. Tap the device to pair. You may see a PIN prompt. If a PIN appears, enter it on the keyboard and press Enter. This verifies the link. Once pairing initiates, wait for the confirmation message or a status change to Connected. Make sure the keyboard layout matches your language in phone settings. Otherwise, some keys may produce unexpected characters. Also, disable power saving if pairing fails. Some units sleep quickly. After the phone shows connected, open a Notes app and test typing to confirm key mapping and latency. If everything works, close Bluetooth settings and enjoy. To disconnect, use the phone's Bluetooth menu or switch the keyboard off. If pairing fails, first restart both devices and retry. This clears transient Bluetooth caches. If problems persist, remove the device from your phone's paired list, update firmware or OS, and try pairing again. Sometimes a software update resolves compatibility issues. Also, check battery level. Low power can prevent stable connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.